Well, hello loves, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to kick off this fall season outdoors at my front patio or my front doors here. I like to start off here because this is the first thing people see as they pass by or they come to my home. So I'm going to share with you what my hubby and I did for our front doors. Stay tuned. So I'm starting off at the step here with this welcome mat. This welcome mat is very, very large, and we purchased this mat from Joann's. It was actually on sale. This mat was actually on sale. The regular price of it was $34.99, and I think we got 60 or 70% off. I didn't want anything with patterns. I wanted something simple. I'm loving the orange for the fall and autumn season. Now what I've added was my lanterns. Actually, you've seen this lantern. This larger one here was white. I used it in a lantern challenge. I had it spray painted white, and I decided to spray paint it black. Alright, and I love it better black. And I'll place a candle in there later. But I have some pumpkins here, several pumpkins laying all around, with some of the Dollar Tree vine running all around them. And then I have another lantern on top there. Not on top, but sitting right there on the mat as well. And I love this. I was thinking about using the mums, but the way my house face, the heat in Florida kills them really quick. So I decided to opt out of buying mums this year. And I love this because you cannot kill these. These are the fake pumpkins. Most of these came from Walmart, and then some I painted last year, like this burgundy one with the glitter. I painted that one last year, but I love this right here, and it's a good feature here in the front of my home. Now, so many of you talk about these crotons, and I think the crotons are perfect for this time of year. And these are huge. I have these in planters. I have 2 of them. I do nothing to these crotons. Alright, I do nothing to them. And they are huge. I love the colors in these. It picks up the greens, the yellows, the orangey, and I called it orangey, the orangey color, and sometimes it picks up like a reddish tint to them. But I love these crotons. Actually, I fell in love with them because my dad has a whole bunch of them around his home. But I love this. Now my sister Christy C, she always hooks me up with the yard flags, and she picked this one out for me, and I think it is just fitting with what I have going on here in my front, with the beautiful pumpkins. And I love that bird on there. Do you see that bird? How pretty is that bird? And this says harvest blessings. Now, are you wondering what I have on my door? My hubby and I, we went into Joann Fabric and we saw a wreath in there that was gorgeous. But that wreath was $300. And as much as I wanted that wreath, I was like, no way am I spending that much money on a wreath. But I can recreate it and I can do something else to it. You want to see what I did?
So I was going to put one here. Is that good enough? Okay. Ready? Now let's turn it around. Stuff going everywhere.
So I don't have to cut that, or do it need to be cut?
Nah, I'll bend it in with. I got this zip tie right here.
You want some to hang off of there, so just a smidge. Yeah, like the leaves. So when, you know, so
And
even
when the door
so,
shut, it's gonna hit.
well, what I'm saying though, even if it don't connect all the way, you got leaves kind of hiding it a little bit.
Right.
Here is the wreath. Now we went to Hobby Lobby and we bought the largest grapevine wreath that we could find, and we split it in half. All right, hubby cut it in half, and we went to work adding garland and apples and flowers to it. And I love this one better than I did the one at Joann Fabric. Now, the only thing is, I'm going to fill in this area here later because we have to get in the house. But other than that, I'm just going to do a little greenery there. But I'm loving the wreath. Now, we had a mishap with this wreath. I had some red flowers on it and it rained, and with those red flowers, pink started running down my door. So I had a pink door and a pink door stoop here. Alright, it was a mess. So we took out the red flowers and placed these off-white flowers in here, and they are working. Alright, it was so pretty with the red though, y'all. But we added all of these apples around this wreath. The garland came from Hobby Lobby, so it had pretty much a lot of the things that you see, the pumpkins and everything on it. But guys, this is what I wanted. I wanted to keep things simple, not too much fuss. So guys, this is the kickoff of the fall season and all of my fall videos. Welcome to our home. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope it brings inspiration to you. So do you want to say anything?
Welcome to our home.
Welcome to our home. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for some beautiful home decor, home essentials, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning Diva family member, I love you guys so much, and I am so blessed that you are a part of the Diva family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day and be safe. Talk to you real soon.